Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Want to do a video walkthrough on this Regal bow rider for you. It's got a dark blue hull. Hull's in great shape. Good shine on the gel coat. Upholstery's in good shape. Stainless anchor with windlass. Power tower, so push of a button the tower raises and lowers. Stainless steel on the windshield. 300 horsepower Yamaha, roughly 35 hours on it. There's great storage in this compartment here. It lifts up electrically on a couple rams, and you've got storage underneath. These seats flip-flop, so you can have them facing aft if you like, and this whole step up slides forward, so you can have the boat in beach mode. Got the freshwater shower, stereo remote, so you can set up at anchor and entertain back here. Both of these port and aft seats have great storage underneath it, place for a carry-on cooler, wood table. Again, just show you a quick shot of the upholstery. It's all in great shape. Power tower, stanchions and everything look good. Up at the helm, got roughly 40 hours of use on the Yamaha. Nice Garmin multi-function displays. Got engine information pulled up there, but also has the sounder capability in it. Controls here. Coming up to the bow. Great upholstery, flip down armrest on these seats. Got storage in this console. Boat has a ton of storage underneath the seats and in-deck storage. Windscreen block there. Flip-flop seat. Same with the aft seats. And then you got a Fusion stereo head unit there. Electric head. Nice boat, nice upholstery. Really best-in-class storage, I think. There's so much storage on this boat. The boat is yacht certified, so not limited to the number of people. Need a life jacket for everyone, but there's plenty of place to, when everyone gets on board the boat, store a bunch of bags and that kind of stuff without you having to step over them and on them. Very nice boat. Low hours, owners moving up. Give us a call at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this quick video. Look forward to hearing from you soon.